We are here today to explore the power of collaboration in teaching. Working collaboratively with peers can create a supportive work environment that allows everyone to achieve their highest potential. Developing effective communication and collaboration skills is a key part of being successful in any profession, and today we will be looking at how it affects the teaching profession. With teamwork, educators can make great things happen. Teamwork allows us to use the strengths of each of us to build something greater than what we could do alone. Working together provides us with the opportunity to learn from each other. It helps us to think of different solutions to problems, and encourages creativity within the team. Being able to collaborate effectively with colleagues can have a tremendous impact on the way we work, as well as the success of our students. By mastering the skills required for effective teamwork, we can create a strong team environment that empowers us all to reach our goals. Collaboration is more than just working together. It's about combining individual strengths to achieve a common goal. In the teaching profession, collaboration is essential for success. On the other hand, when teachers fail to collaborate effectively, the consequences can be severe. Miscommunication, duplication of efforts, and lack of support can all lead to negative outcomes for students. Collaboration is key to creating a positive and effective learning environment for all students. The same is true for business. Collaboration and communication are essential components of running a successful business. A unified team of employees is necessary to avoid potential risks and ensure all employees are working together to achieve the same goal. Effective communication is essential for success in any team. To ensure that everyone is on the same page, establishing clear channels of communication is important. For successful communication between members of the team, active listening and using clear and concise language should be practiced. This means paying full attention to what other person is saying, asking questions, and making sure the message has been properly understood by paraphrasing or asking clarifying questions. Furthermore, jargon or acronyms that other members may not understand should be avoided. Sharing ideas is vital for effective teamwork, fostering collaboration and mutual respect, which can in turn help to strengthen team bonds and foster creativity. Brainstorming is a great way to get ideas flowing and ensure everyone feels heard and valued. This open communication can help us to become more proactive and invest in the success of the team. When ideas are encouraged to be shared, it helps to create stronger relationships and open up new opportunities for growth. Organizing effective teams is a matter of compromise and flexibility. When a group of people come together to create a lesson, for example, they should consider everyone's opinion and skill set in order to generate an effective and engaging lesson plan. On the other hand, a lack of compromise and an unwillingness to listen can damage progress and lead to discord amongst the team. By allowing space for different ideas and perspectives, groups can reach results that no single person is capable of achieving alone. Having clear goals and expectations is the first step to creating a conducive work environment that benefits both students and educators. Building a culture of trust and respect is essential, and it is important for everyone to listen to and respect different perspectives. Idea sharing and brainstorming should be encouraged, and the team should be open to innovative solutions. Finally, when needed, flexibility and compromises should be made while still aiming to reach the common goal.